Ready to escape the world? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones offer an unparalleled oasis of industry-leading noise cancellation. Imagine silencing noisy commutes, office chatter, or even a bustling coffee shop with a flip of a switch. These truly redefine peaceful listening. This isn't just good noise canceling. It's an immersive experience that lets you focus purely on your music, podcasts, or important calls. But the magic doesn't stop there. With an incredible 30-hour battery life, your music won't quit before you do. That's multiple flights, countless work sessions, or days of continuous audio enjoyment without needing to reach for a charger. Another game changer is the multi-point connection, allowing you to seamlessly switch between two devices simultaneously. Effortlessly go from watching a movie on your laptop to answering a call on your phone without missing a beat. Pure convenience for busy lives. These Sony headphones aren't just an upgrade. They're an investment in premium audio quality and unparalleled convenience, truly setting them apart. If you're searching for the best noise-canceling headphones for productivity or travel in 2025, grab yours today via the Amazon link below. For anyone serious about immersive sound and ultimate freedom from distractions, the Sony WH-1000XM5 are an absolute must-have recommendation.